Entertainment, and today we'll be unboxing a whole bunch of stuff. I've got the capsule cuties, the Tokidoki Unicorno. These are the ones you can get. I got these Marvel Mystery Mini Funkos. I want Gwen. We've got the Alien Party games again. Let's see if we can get the secret. We already got the guess one. I might have said guess 4 times, but it's okay. We've got the Faz Fizzy Station, the Five Nights at Freddy's Grab and Go bundle. We've got the Blacklight Littlest Pet Shops. Yeah, Littlest Pet Shop. Blacklight. If it will stop glaring. There we go. Those are the ones you can get. We've got the SpongeBob SquarePants Frenzy's Hidden Dissectables again. I'm excited. I want Doodlebob. And to inform you, we got SpongeGar, and he was not the secret. The secret is him, SpongeGar stoned. So, sorry to inform you, we did not get the secret. I thought we did, though. We got the Monsters Classic Energy again. I told y'all I'd open that again on the next video. Here we are. I got these. The BikiniBottomBuddies. I bet y'all been seeing these everywhere. And it was hard to get this box, okay? It's hard. 20 bucks though. And I see them go for 60. I got off of Whatnot. And I really advise y'all to buy your PopMart stuff and like your, like the little boo-boos and stuff, because all that stuff is authentic. And like, there's people who just sell fake stuff all the time. Like the little boo-boos, they probably sell the fake BikiniBottomBuddies. The best place to get like authentic stuff is Whatnot, in my opinion, and Amazon. Haven't had any problems with those platforms. Steamboat Willie, we got him again. We got Click, but that's Mini. We got Mini. Those are really cool. We've got the Disney Munchlings, soft and cuddly. Ooh, and they're scented. They're scented and they're plushy. Something different. I haven't opened those yet. We've got Peach Riot again. And we've got the Peach Riot Rush Hour. We want Gigi. Any of the Gigi's. The Gigi mail delivery one's cool. Gigi mail delivery. And this stuff back up. Alright, we've got our Stitch Pineapple Ball again. And Bandit Commander, he went to Frankie's Fun Park and he won this. He said I could open on the channel and I'll have to go back to him whenever we find out what we get. But that's gonna be fun to open. Thank you for winning this for us, Bandit Commander. Alright. We still got a couple more things to show y'all. We've got the Friday 13th Jason bag clips. We got the metallic Jason last time, and then we got the bag Jason last time too. And then got this one, and I think last time it was Daisy and Minnie with that one. And then we've got Botanical Unicorno. We've got Sonora, Moonstone, Euphoria, the other Euphoria. Pretty sure we got Aloe Vera and Fuchsia. I don't know if we got Piantina or Delicioso. Those are the ones you can get. Alright, we got 2 more others. before we start unboxing, we've got the Disney stitching costume. Look, I'm wearing Stitch earrings. Stitching costume. We got the gnome last time. Y'all can let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. And then my Gammy and we went to Universal, like I said, and we did the Godzilla attraction or whatever it's called, but it was like a 3D thing, and we drove around in a vehicle and we saw like the Godzilla and Kong. I thought that was pretty cool. I think it was Godzilla and King Kong. I think so. You can tell me if I'm wrong or not. But... Hi Gammy. Hi Grampy. I love y'all, miss y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Alright. A little shout out for them. Alright. So what are we going to open? Let's get to unboxing. So we've got our erasers, our back clip, our other keychain, or we could do our balls, the little pineapple or the Smurf ball. We've got the little pet shop we could open too. Decisions. So, alright. What are we going to open? Y'all want to open a back clip? So, we already got the metallic Jason, the Jason with the bag on his head. Who are we gonna get next? Trying to run away from me. I think we got glow in the dark. We did! We got glow in the dark Jason! He's glow in the dark. That's really cool. Look. That's really cool. We've got some really cool ones. Alright. Got him. Alright. Who are we gonna open now? Disney Munchlings. We've got our Little's Pet Shop. Alright, so I want to do the Little's Pet Shop. We got the glow-in-the-dark Jason. Let's do the black light. Little's Pet Shop. Use our trusty scissors. Ooh! Oh, we got the doggy. We got the black light doggy. I wish I had a black light to show you how it looks. That's really cool though. He's cute. Alright, cleanup time. Alright. So we've done the keychain, the Little's Pet Shop. Y'all want to do a Stitch pineapple? Let's do a Stitch pineapple. Let's hope this is easier to open this time. So I'm pretty sure last time we got Stitch building a sandcastle. And these are the ones you can get. Those are the ones you can get. Alright. Who are we gonna get next? Camera! Oh my god, Stitch with the camera. That's perfect. Oh, that is too cute. The camera's upside down too. That's adorable. Just with the camera upside down. All right. You want to do the erasers? So we've got Daisy and Minnie last time. Who are we gonna get next? got Jasmine, and then we got, I think we got Cinderella. So we've got Cinderella and Jasmine. They're erasers. And then we got the crown eraser. So we got Cinderella and Jasmine, the erasers. All right. Who wants to open some Tokidoki now? The Botanical Unicorno keychains? All right, let's see who we get. Okay, yeah, we got aloe vera. Think so, yeah, aloe vera. That's aloe vera. Got another dupe, it's okay. All right. Y'all want to open the Munchling? I've never opened one of these before, and they're scented. And I don't know which one I want. The sushi ones are kind of cute. I like sushi. Let's see who we're gonna get. Don't know how to open this. Probably not opening it right. Army's so mad at me. I'm opening this so low. What did we get? Okay, we got Daisy. I'm pretty sure this is Daisy as the dumpling. She's cute. That's cute. It's Daisy as the dumpling. The veggie dumpling, Daisy Duck. And she smells like cleaner. She doesn't smell like a dumpling. She smells like cleaner. Okay, that was fun. Let's open up a box now. Alright. Y'all like Marvel? So, I got these at Five Below. I want Gwen. Let's see if we get Gwen. Alright. Let's open the Marvel. There we go. Alright. Let's unopen this. Let's put the box. Okay. Alright. So it always comes in a black bag. Let's see. Like the He-Man, or the Mattel ones. The ones we got the He-Man on. Did we get Gwen? We got Gwen! This is the one I wanted! Yes! This is the one I wanted. I'm so happy. How cool she is. She's standing on this. And these are Funko Minis. Those are really cool. Does her head bobble? Or her head does bobble. Not good, but it bobbles. Alright. That was a fun one. So, going with the Stitch theme. Get the Stitch earrings on. Let's open Stitch in costume. Alright. Pretty sure these come in a black bag too, like the other ones. Alright. Who are we gonna get? This is Cheshire Stitch. Oh my god, he's so cute. 1 out of 36. That was a good one. Look, it's Cheshire Stitch. And he's holding his little cups. Oh, that's so cute. He's so cute. Okay. Alright. Tokidoki Y'all want to do one of the capsules? I've not opened these before. I thought they were really cool, so I decided let's open them for y'all. Come on. I can open it right. I want to open it perfectly. Nope. You still messed it up. It's okay. Rip the thing. These are big. Okay. The orange one. So, oh, okay. So, it's a capsule, and then there's something inside. So, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, that's really cool. What do we get? Oh, oh, she's cute. Which one is this? We got the Sakura. Oh my god. I think that's the one I actually wanted, the Sakura one. She's pretty. And then, thank you. Click it on, and then she just sits in there. You can stand her up too, but she fell when I did it. Those are really cute. Alright. And I'll show you the sticker. It's a sticker it comes with. And then that's another thing that comes with the card. I think it opens. Yes, it opens. It shows you all the ones you can get. Alright. Who's ready to open the Smurf ball? Bandit Commander won for us in the claw machine. Congrats to him winning so many claw machine wins too that day. Alright. Let's see what Bandit Commander got. Alright. Which Smurf did he get? Oh! Which one is that? He's got a heart. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, we got Smurf with the heart. These are the ones you can get. Thank you, Bandit Commander, for letting me open this on the channel. That was a really cool win. All right. Do y'all want to open the Godzilla? These are the ones you can get. I don't know which one I really want. I kind of want the gold one with 3 heads. Saying I want the Godzilla with the three heads, the gold one. All right, let's see who we get. What did we get? Oh, okay, we got, I don't know which one this is. He's huge though. 1 out of 6. We got the moth. We got the moth. The moth. He's on a cloud. It's pretty cool though. Alright. Alright. We opened Five Nights at Freddy's on like both of our videos, and I found these. They're Five Nights at Freddy's Faz Fizzy Station Grab and Go bundle. So it comes with 3 figures. I think they're all flocked, a collector card, a sticker, and a base. So, let's see what we get. Oh. Let's do it. What do we get? We got a... Okay, I gotta show y'all. Look, we got a gold, we got a Foxy, and I think we got a... That's Freddy. Not Freddy. Yeah, that's Freddy. Hold up. Oh my goodness gracious. We got the Chica plush card. Look, we got Foxy. We got him. Freddy. And then we got gold Chica. We're doing really good. And then the Chica card and then the gold card. Hold on. that is so cute. It's gold. We got a gold card in the binder. All right, and then it comes with a base. Oh, no base. It missed the base. Where? Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, we got the base. See, the base. And then I think you put your figure here on the base. Gold Chica, that's so cute. All right, so we got our PopMart bonanza going on. So we're gonna open all the PopMart stuff last. So we are going to be opening the SpongeBob Hidden Dissectable series, the meme edition, and we got SpongeGar last time. So we're hoping for Doodle Bob or Imagination SpongeBob. I wouldn't be mad with any of them. All right, who do we get? Don't look at the card. Did we get SpongeGar again? We got SpongeGar again. I'm not putting the base on. You already saw him. Alright. On to the grand finale. Alright. So let's do the Aliens party games. Aliens party games. All PopMart, we got the guess last time. See who we get next. Okay, it's a new one. I don't see the blocks. Okay, we got 3 aliens. Oh my god! They're playing pool! Oh my god, it's the hole-in-one. Let me get this set up for y'all. We got the hole-in-one. I got it set up for y'all. One by one. So we've got him. We got him laying in the pit with the pool balls. We got him with his pool stick. I wish I could show you that all side by side, but I cannot. All right, so PopMart. Oh wait, not PopMart. We already are on PopMart. So next PopMart, we're gonna do the Steamboat Willie. All right. Last time we got Minnie. I really want Steamboat Willie. I want the secret, but I just really want Steamboat Willie. So let's see who we get. Don't want to see the card. I know we did not get Minnie again, so I'm happy about that. Who did we get? Oh, we did get Minnie again, actually. Oh, okay, we did get Minnie again. We got the same one again. Dupe. That's going in the Whatnot shop. It's okay. Dupes are fine. I can't be mad about it. But I will be selling this in my Whatnot shop. Alright. Dupes on dupes. Okay. Let's hope we get some good luck on these Peach Riot. Alright. So, we've got our Rush Hour Peach Riot. We want Gigi. Please. Please don't be Poppy. Or, Frankie. I want Gigi. It'll be fine next time which one we get, but I want Gigi. Okay. Yes, we got Gigi Mailman. Yay, we got Gigi. This is the one I wanted. At the beginning, I did say I like the Gigi mail delivery. Oh, look, she's so cute. Okay, let's get her set up. Can we put tape on her shoes? Okay. Okay. What accessories does she come? Okay, she comes with a clock. How do you set this up? That's her card? Yay, we got Gigi! I'm so happy we got the redhead. I'm so freaking happy. We got Gigi finally. That's a good video. We're not done yet, but I'm about to get her set up so y'all can see her. And then we're about to get on to the grand finale. Look at how cute she is. I'm so happy I put her on my desk and so her stand, it's a clock. That's so cute. Okay, now on to the grand finale. So we've got the Monsters Classic Series. We got Pato last time. We want Little Boo Boo. I'd be fine with Spooky. Spooky's cute. Let's see who we get. And these ones light up, and they're plush, like the Boo Boo keychains. Alright, who did we get? We got a blue one. Okay, so we've got, which one is this? Oh, we got Pippo. We got Pippo. He's cute, he's blue. I like blue. And he lights up too. There's him lighting up. All right. Who's ready to see the Bikini Bottom Buddies? So I got these off Whatnot. Are you ready for the Bikini Bottom Buddies? I'm so happy we got Gigi. All right, I got this off Whatnot. I'm excited. I really want the secret, but I don't even know which one I want. The cool fish is cool. All right, let's see who we get. That was a clean box rip. All right. Oh god. I messed that box up. Alright. Who did we get? This is working fish! Oh, that's funny. Working fish. Alright, that was an awesome unboxing. We got Gigi. Alright, we're gonna go around and show you everything we got. And then we're about to end the video. We got working fish. These were so fun. Oh, wait, there's a card. I'm pretty sure there's a card. Yes. Okay, working fish. It's like a license. It's so cute. Alright, so we've got the moth from the Godzilla box. We've got the glow-in-the-dark Jason. We've got the Blacklight Little's Pet Shop doggy. For the Five Nights at Freddy's ones, we got the Gold Chica, the Fuzzy Freddy, and the Fuzzy Foxy. They're so cute. Pretty sure I showed y'all Gigi, but we'll show her again. We got Gigi finally. We finally got Gigi. I'm so happy. And we've got the Cheshire Stitch. We got Tycoco. Oh, no, not Tycoco. Pippo. Not Tycoco. Pippo. Sorry. Pippo. And he lights up. Turn this light off. We got dupes on these. So we got SpongeGar, and then we got Minnie again. Those will go in the Whatnot shop. So if y'all want to buy those, y'all can. We got the erasers. Oh, no. We got the Stitch holding the camera backwards. Look how cute he is. We've got the erasers, the Cinderella and Jasmine erasers. And we got the Smurfs ball one that we got from Bandit Commander. We can get that to him whenever we're done. We got the Daisy Duck Dumpling. We got the Gwen standing on the brick wall. This is the one I really wanted, and she's like one of my favorites. So I'm so happy we got that one. We got the Sakura Tokidoki capsule. And, oh, we got another dupe here. The aloe vera. All right. Thanks for watching. And y'all have an awesome day, and I will see y'all in the next one. And y'all stay positive and be yourself.